At Hands Up for Trad, 2020 has been the year of the musician. When Scotland stopped, the musicians started and kept the country entertained. As Procol Harum sang, we skipped the light fandango, turned cartwheels across the floor. We were feeling kinda seasick, but the crowd called out for more. Musicians from across Scotland delivered. Social media has been awash with amazing music and song. From Duncan Chisholm's Covid Ceilidh to Tunes in the Hoose, we led and the public joined in. Congratulations everybody, so much hard work, so many new skills learned. Of course, it's not always been fun. For most musicians, financially it has been very difficult. We have been lucky that Creative Scotland, PRS Foundation, Help Musicians, Musicians Union and the other support organisations have stepped up to the plate. Organisations at the coalface including Stonehaven Folk Club, Edinburgh Folk Club and Gordon Duncan Memorial Trust have fundraised and also paid out funds to musicians. Like everyone else, here at Hands Up for Trad, everything was postponed. We've had to redevelop our 2020 programme to continue our work of promoting the best music in the world. We've moved online with regular live chat shows, developed new technology and started the Hands Up for Trad Music Club. We've had some brilliant acts perform live for us, including the Siobhan Miller Band, Gary Innes, Talith, Braybach, Heiss, Iona Fife Trio, Rura and Emar. They performed to audiences across the world and earned money at the same time. We have used highly visible platforms to continue our talent development. We have also developed new partnerships and strengthened existing ones, resulting in the Folk and Crisis Fund with Stonehaven Folk Club, Chino Gaelic Festival with Bord na Gaelic, and continued with our long-term partners MG ALBA to keep the Scots Trad Music Awards going. This pandemic is not over yet. Fingers crossed we will be attending festivals in the summer of 2021, but let's not forget all these new skills we have learned. This is a new digital world we are entering and we need to be ready for it. We can emerge from this even stronger than before. My final thanks has to go to Creative Scotland, who as well as supporting the whole music sector, have supported Hands Up for Trad through their regular funding portfolio. Creative Scotland haven't stopped since March and deserve everyone's thanks. See you hopefully on December 6th, 2021 in Dundee's Caird Hall for the party to end all parties.